The file management module offers cloud storage services that include upload, download, and organize files in a hierarchical folder structure. It provides the main file management services, such as creating a new folder that can carry more and more folders that can have different files. This was a PowerPoint file, and we can also upload a Word file. We also have a set of photos, and a video as well. We can upload all sorts of files and then download them again. We can also rename the folders, move them, and delete them. It is also compatible with multi-tenancy, and you can determine the total size limit for your tenants. It's based on the blob storing system, so it can use different storage providers to store the files. And you can use different blob storage providers, including the local file system as standard files, a database, Azure, Alien or Alibaba Cloud Computing, Min.io, and AWS, or Amazon Simple Storage Service. Or you can request it for your favorite provider, or create it yourself and contribute to the ABP framework. And all of this is provided by the file management module from ABP Commercial.